guys, we have this heated blanket here. It looks like a tortilla. It's so silly and fun. This would make a great gift. It is very, very, very soft, much softer than I thought it would be when I saw it online.
It's so soft.
It is so soft. It's 100% polyester. It hooks in here with the cord. You plug it into a regular outlet, and there's 5 different levels of heat. So you just push the power button to rotate through, and it lights up which one it's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. You can actually wash this in the machine on a very gentle cycle, and there's instructions on how to do that, or you can hand wash to keep it nice and dry. You can also fluff it on a low heat cycle to keep it fluffy and nice looking. So really fun, really comfortable and warm, and a great gift.